What if I told you that many people don't begin losing their vision all at once? It happens so slowly that they barely notice it. It starts with little things. The words on a restaurant menu don't seem as sharp. Driving at night becomes more stressful because headlights look brighter than they used to. You need more light to read, or you find yourself holding your phone farther away just to make the text clear. Most people simply shrug and say, "I'm just getting older." But what if your eyes are actually asking for something they've been missing? You see, every single day, your eyes are working harder than almost any other organ in your body. They're constantly exposed to sunlight, blue light from digital screens, pollution, and the natural wear that comes with aging. Over time, these everyday challenges can gradually weaken the delicate tissues, responsible for clear, detailed vision. The encouraging news is that your diet can make a difference. Scientists have identified certain fruits that contain unique nutrients your eyes use to help protect themselves. Some help support the retina, others nourish the tiny blood vessels that keep your eyes functioning properly. And one fruit contains an impressive combination of nutrients that many eye health experts consider especially valuable as we get older. In today's video, we're counting down the 3 best fruits for healthy vision after 60, based on the nutrients they provide and what research has discovered about their role in supporting aging eyes. Be sure to stay until the very end, because the number 1 fruit isn't an expensive superfood or a trendy supplement. In fact, it's available in almost every grocery store. Yet most people walk right past it without realizing how beneficial it can be for their eyes. Let's begin with number 3. Number 3, goji berries. Most people think vision changes happen overnight, but they don't. They happen little by little. One day, restaurant menus seem harder to read. A few months later, headlights appear brighter than they used to. Then, before you know it, you're holding books farther away or asking someone else to read the fine print. So what if you could give your eyes extra nutritional support before those changes become more noticeable? That's exactly why goji berries have caught the attention of researchers. These small, bright red berries have been enjoyed in Asia for generations, but modern science is now revealing something remarkable hidden inside them. They're one of nature's richest sources of zeaxanthin, a plant pigment that plays a very special role in protecting your eyesight, unlike most nutrients that simply circulate throughout the body. Zeaxanthin is actively transported into the macula, the tiny area at the center of your retina that gives you the ability to read, recognize faces, drive safely, and enjoy sharp, detailed vision. In a way, it's one of your eye's own natural defense systems. Every day, your eyes are exposed to sunlight, blue light from phones and televisions, and the normal wear that comes with aging. Over time, this constant exposure can gradually place stress on the delicate cells inside the macula. Zeaxanthin helps by filtering some of that high-energy blue light, while helping protect these cells from everyday damage. Here's what makes goji berries different from many other fruits. They don't just contain zeaxanthin, they contain it in abundance, depending on the variety and preparation. Dried goji berries provide roughly 25 to 200 milligrams of zeaxanthin per 100 grams. Even more importantly, much of it is present as zeaxanthin dipalmitate, a form that your body can absorb efficiently. Researchers wanted to know whether eating goji berries actually makes a difference. In one clinical study, adults who enjoyed them regularly for 90 days showed significantly higher blood levels of zeaxanthin. The researchers also observed fewer early changes associated with aging in the macula, suggesting that regularly including goji berries in a healthy diet may help support long-term retinal health, and that's not their only advantage. Goji berries also supply vitamin C, dietary fiber, and a wide variety of natural antioxidants that help support healthy cells throughout the body. One simple tip can help you enjoy goji berries even more. If you're using dried goji berries, soak a small handful in warm, not boiling water for about 10 minutes. This softens the berries, making them easier to chew, which can be especially helpful for older adults. You can enjoy them as a snack, stir them into oatmeal or yogurt, sprinkle them over a salad, or even drink the lightly flavored soaking water along with the berries so nothing goes to waste. Number 2, wild blueberries. Have you ever looked at someone and instantly recognized their face? Or spotted your grandchild waving from across the park? Moments like these happen so effortlessly that we rarely stop to think about what's really taking place. The truth is, seeing isn't just about your eyes. Every image your eyes capture is sent to your brain, where it's processed in a fraction of a second. That's why keeping both your eyes and your brain healthy becomes increasingly important as you age. And that's exactly what makes wild blueberries so remarkable. Unlike regular cultivated blueberries, wild blueberries are naturally smaller, but they pack a much higher concentration of anthocyanins, the deep blue and purple pigments responsible for their vibrant color. These natural compounds have become the focus of numerous studies because of their powerful antioxidant properties. One reason researchers are so interested is their effect on healthy circulation. Your retina depends on thousands of tiny blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients every second of the day. As we get older, maintaining healthy blood flow becomes increasingly important for keeping these delicate tissues functioning at their best. Research suggests that anthocyanins help support these small blood vessels, while helping protect retinal cells from the everyday wear that naturally comes with aging, but that's only half the story. Several studies suggest that the flavonoids found in blueberries may also support memory, learning, and overall brain function. Since your brain interprets every signal coming from your eyes, keeping it healthy may help you process visual information more efficiently. It's one of the reasons wild blueberries are often considered a food that supports both cognitive health and healthy vision. They also provide vitamin C, manganese, and a rich variety of natural polyphenols that help defend cells throughout the body from everyday damage caused by free radicals. Frozen wild blueberries are an excellent option because they're usually frozen shortly after harvest, helping preserve many of their beneficial nutrients. Stir them into oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, mix them with plain yogurt, or simply enjoy a handful as a refreshing snack. For even more nutrition, pair them with a few walnuts to add healthy fats that complement the berries perfectly. We've finally reached the number 1 fruit on our list. And surprisingly, it's not a rare superfood or an expensive supplement. In fact, you've probably walked past it hundreds of times at your local grocery store without realizing just how much it can do for your eyes. That fruit is kiwi. What makes kiwi different isn't that it's exceptionally high in one nutrient. It's that it delivers several vision-supporting nutrients in one small package, making it one of the easiest fruits to include in your daily routine. Its greatest strength is vitamin C. Most people think of vitamin C as something that supports the immune system, but your eyes depend on it too. The tissues inside your eyes are constantly exposed to light and normal aging, creating a need for antioxidant protection every single day. Vitamin C helps neutralize free radicals while supporting the production of collagen, an important structural protein. That helps keep the tiny blood vessels in your eyes strong and healthy. Those blood vessels deliver the oxygen and nutrients. Your retina needs to function properly. But kiwi offers more than vitamin C alone. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two natural carotenoids that become concentrated inside the macula, the part of the retina responsible for your sharp central vision. These nutrients help filter some high-energy blue light, while supporting your eye's natural protective defenses, since their levels gradually decline with age. Eating foods that naturally contain them becomes increasingly valuable. Kiwi also provides vitamin E, dietary fiber, and a variety of beneficial plant compounds called polyphenols. Together, these nutrients support healthy aging throughout the body, including the heart and circulatory system, both of which play an important role in keeping your eyes well nourished. The best part is how easy kiwi is to enjoy. Slice it into oatmeal, stir it into yogurt, blend it into a smoothie, or simply cut it in half and scoop it out with a spoon. While no single food can guarantee perfect vision, making these nutrient-rich fruits part of a balanced diet is one simple step. That may help protect your eyesight for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and let us know in the comments, which of these fruits have you tried and which one are you excited to add to your diet?